So if you want to come take a look at this, you're welcome. This is, so when I power it on, menu controls are a little bit, there's an up down menu control. So I'll select it. It's really hard to see. It's almost like I need a.
It's not the way to
Yeah, there we go. So this is the 15 cc. So this is 15 cc, that's the smaller, that means the smaller one. So I'm set up correctly there. It says 50 to 100. Well, I don't think that's, I'm going to go down here and see what other options I have. Nope, no, I guess that's it. Okay. So I get to select the units. So this is radians per second. I can have not rochins per second. So that's rochins per second, rochins per minute, and rochins per hour. Okay. The frame is for something special. We haven't covered that yet. It's called a cine. It's where you take a movie camera version. There's a special kind of X-ray that takes a movie camera. And they're not used so much now since they have electronic video. But it used to be, they had actual video camera, movie camera, film camera, taking images. Okay, so that's the units. Okay, detector select. This is.
Yeah, that is 65 to 135.
Is that what this one is? Now this one is a.
5 kV.
Yeah, see, that's the linear. No, see, it'll come up, the K-edge, so that's what we want, is the K-edge.
Okay.
So it has all these different packs programmed into it. So you have to select the correct pack here, and then you can measure. And they measure incompatible filter and units. Oh, okay, so for this one, you know what? I'm gonna use a different filter, because I want the units to be. So let's look for the linear, where's the linear mammogram? This one. Okay, so let's go back to detector. Oh, that's, okay. And then detector select. Oh, there's a linear, okay. And there we go. Now it's 0. So it says 0 rochins per hour, 0 volts. Well, I could believe that. There's nothing coming in. But if we exposed it, there's no radiation. Well, if we exposed it, it would register, and it would automatically save that value until it gets exposed again. So this is what we'll do tomorrow, and we'll be using the other ion chamber.
So if we expose
This number,
and we're expecting to get the number of the setting in the operating console, that one.
right. You're comparing whether or not, that you get agreement here with the operator console. Part of that depends, if you get disagreement, it could be because this one's out of calibration. Because this one was last calibrated, This hasn't been calibrated for 10 years. So, you can't necessarily trust this, but the point is just to know how to do the measurements. Now, the new ones, like this, are very simple, and you don't, they just, actually, they're more like a cell phone that you just put down.
So sometimes once you use this calibrator, I passed through the one problem in MX4.
Okay.
I tried to use a calibrator, but once I'm putting the parameter to the machines, maybe